Hello everyone, today is another maths lesson and today we are going to talk about odd and even numbers. Our lesson objective, we are learning to 1. Recognize odd and even numbers. 2. We are going to make general statement about sum, difference and multiples of odd and even numbers. Odd or even, what do we know? If a number can be divided equally by 2, then it is an even number. I will repeat that. If a number can be divided equally by 2, then it is an even number. And if a number can't be divided equally by 2, then it is an odd number. That means if you divide a number by 2, you are going to get a remainder. If you get a remainder, that number becomes an odd number. Take for example, see if this helps you to understand. There are 4 people. 4 people, divide them equally into 2 teams. So it means team A will have 2 people, team B will have 2 people. Equal teams, they all get to play. So if 4 can be divided by 2 equally, so it means this one is an even number. But let's say you have a team, 5 people divide by 5 people, divide them equally into 2 teams. You realize the first team will have 3 and then the 2. Then what about this one? This one here, it's an odd one out. So that means 5 people cannot be divided evenly by 2, equally by 2. So 5 becomes an odd number. 5 becomes an odd number. So if a number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, then it's an odd number. Any number that's ending 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, that number is an odd number. But if a number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, then it's an even number. Be sure to check that if a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, all these we call them even number. Let's see. Let's sort some numbers into odd and even boxes. So I have 31, I have 24, 65, 48, 79, 92, 53, 86, 127, 230. Remember, the rules say the number, you check the number ends in which figure. So here is number 31. 31 will be, can you try and pause the video and try to sort it out, then check out what we are doing. Pause the video and check it out. So let's try. So 31, 1 is if a number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all those are odd numbers. So let's start by getting all odd numbers together. So odd number, push it there. Any odd number that ends here, 24 will be an even, so I take it to even side. 65 ends in 5, so I'll take it to odd number side. 48 ends in 8, 8 is an even number, I'll bring it here. 79 is an odd number, I'll bring it to this part. 92, 2 is an even number, I'll put it here. 53 is it odd or even? 53 is an odd number because it ends in 3. 127 is it ends in 7, so it is an odd number. 230 ends in 0, so this one also is an even number. And 86, because of 6, is an even number. So can you check your work? Did you group them like this, odd and even numbers? Have you checked that 31, 65, 79, 53, and 127 are all in the box of odd numbers? and even numbers 24, 92, 48 are in the box of even number. Let's proceed and check more. Somebody is asking. Let's sort some more numbers into odd and even boxes. One question. Does it matter how large the number is? Let's see. One thing you need to understand, it doesn't matter whether how big the number is, how large the number is, so long as you master this rule of odd number. If a number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then it's an odd number. Or if a number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it's an even number. So let's come and check these large numbers. I have 924, 692, 2053, 748, 1079, 1207. Remember, these numbers can be as large as even million, but the rule is check the last number. So pause the video for a while, try and sort out these numbers into odd numbers and even numbers. Then come back and check with what you've done. Good, I hope you finished. So let's see how this one is going to happen. So 924, because it ends in 4, it's automatically going to be an even. 692 also ends in 2, so this one also is going to be an even number. 2053, I only check 3. Is 3 an even or an odd number? 3 is an odd number, so I'll bring down 3 to odd number box. 748 is an even number because of 8, so I'll bring it to the even number box. Then also I have 1079, my last number is 9, and 9 is an odd number, so automatically makes this number an odd number. Then also I have 1207. Because of 7, the last digit, I'm going to put it on the odd numbers sign. So that's how you do your work. So this is how you sort out numbers on odd numbers and even numbers. Remember, numbers that end in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all odd numbers, and numbers that end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are all even numbers. But there's something. Did you know? Now this is how do we know the operation of odd and even numbers. Number 1, if you add an odd number plus an odd number, the answer should be an even number. For example, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 4 is an even number. If you add an even and an even number, the answer still remains an even number. Example, we have 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. You can give more examples. Even number plus an odd number, the answer becomes odd. For example, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Good. Then on the subtraction, we have odd number minus odd number. The answer will be an even number. For example, 9 minus 7 equals 2. Another thing you need to know, odd minus even number, the answer becomes an odd number. Example, 11 is an odd number minus 4, the answer is 7, which is an odd number. An even number minus even number, the answer becomes even. Example, we have 10 minus 6 equals 4, and 4 is an even number. When it comes to multiplication, the multiples of odd and even numbers, if you multiply an odd number times an odd number, the answer you should get should be odd number. For example, 3 times 5 equals 15. 1 times 3 equals 3, or 5 times 7 equals 35. So all those are odd numbers. Even number times an even number equals to an even number. A good example we have is 2 times 4, which is 8. Another one, number 9, even times an odd number equals even number. A good example that I have is 2 times 3 equals 6. So you try it. It's your turn. You can try it out. So you'll go to the slides. Your exercise you're going to find on the slides of sorting out the odd numbers and also operations on odd and even numbers. So in this lesson, we've learned that an odd number is a number that cannot be divided by 2 completely. There must be a remainder. That number is called an odd number. Examples of odd number are numbers that end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. We've learned also in this lesson, an even number is a number that can be divided by 2 completely. Examples of this number are numbers that end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So, until then, I leave you enjoy your lessons as you do your assignments. Bye for now.